Hey, what's up guys? Got another unboxing today. This time it's the Xbox 360 4GB, the new version. It does not have Connect ready. I'm not really into those movement games, you know. So I'm just gonna unbox this and show you what's inside. So alright, let's get to it. Fine. That opens that. Kind of slow at this kind of stuff. Alright, here we go. Jump in. Alright, so first off we got the start here setup guide, full of stuff showing you how to work the Xbox 360 console. This is another thing, advertisement saying it's got wireless inside of the actual console. Looks like a Platinum Hits game catalog. Not gonna need that. And then right on the top it's the console. Nicely wrapped in some foam. Keep it nice, safe. Foam aside. Plastic wrapped. Put that just to the side for a second. So that's the actual console. And what we got inside here. Inside of there is the actual remote. And I think that kind of looks the same as the remotes for the old Xbox. Maybe not. I'm not really sure. I don't remember. Some Duracell batteries. It's always a plus. Let's go out and buy batteries. 2 AA's. Oh yeah. Alright. That aside. Remote aside. Explore your Xbox. The setup and warranty for the Xbox 360. Put that to the side too. That's all that's in that first flap. Let's see how we're gonna get this out. Just like that. Alright. The cardboard on the side. This looks like the power cable. Power brick. And yeah, that's what it is. It's the first part to it. Alright, put that on the side. Next we got the AV cables, is what it is. Yeah. AV cables. Put that to the side also. And like the second part to the power cable. Yep, and that's it. That's all that's inside of this Xbox 360 box, I'm pretty sure. Double check real quick. Yep, it is. Nothing else in there. Alright guys, so just subscribe and I will see you guys later. Alright.